Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone and the Brushless Motor Drone with camera. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. The Bwine F7 GPS camera drone is priced at $699, while the Brushless Motor Drone with camera is priced at $199. It's clear that the Brushless Motor Drone offers a more affordable option. Both drones offer 4K camera capabilities. However, the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone stands out with its one-click detachable camera, 3-axis gimbal, and 5x digital zoom, ensuring stable and convenient shooting from varying distances. The Bwine F7 GPS camera drone has an impressive flight time of 75 minutes per trip, thanks to its 3 intelligent batteries. On the other hand, the Brushless Motor Drone offers a respectable 40-minute flight time with its 2 1,600 mAh batteries. Both drones offer impressive range and stability. The Bwine F7 GPS camera drone, with its built-in brushless motor, compass, gyroscope, barometer, and wind resistance capabilities, allows you to fly up to 2,000 meters and control it within a range of 3,000 meters. The Brushless Motor Drone also provides stable flight with its brushless motor, altitude hold system, and optical flow positioning. Both drones have their unique features and advantages, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.